this YouTube background is fake. A lot of you will be wondering, oh my God, I wish I could have such an amazing background, right? That is why I'm making this video. Few of my students reached out to me and they were like, Ma'am, I would like to come out. I would like to do some videos, trainings, but my house is not beautiful. I don't have a lovely background. I told them, don't worry. I'll be creating a video to help you with that. So this is the video. Now, what is the first thing you're to do? Make sure you record yourself far away from your wall. Now look at it. You can see this is my wall, right? And this is me. You can see the distance. So that when you put the background, it will still be very nice. The second thing you're to do is to use a tripod. Use a stand that when you put the phone, like this one I'm showing you right now, this stand, you can see it. Okay. Then if you have a longer one, you can also use it. If you have a stand like this one, you can also use it. Now, the next step is make sure you sit in an open room, like what you see me sitting in. If you have an open room like this, amazing. Make sure you do your videos during the day where you have enough brightness. I'm making the whole place very bright. So I'm not using anything light, right? Or you can even turn and face your window if possible to give you the brightness you need. All right. Then if you don't have this, you can use a light. But I prefer you making your videos during the day since you are just a beginner and you don't have the money to start buying all the gadgets you need. Okay? Then the next, make sure you have a speaker like this one I have on me. But if you don't, project, bring out your voice, be louder a little when you do your videos. All right? So our final step is we're going to our Google. So I'm going to show you how to get the YouTube background. For the next step, we'll be going to our Google and we'll be typing in freepix.com. So that's where we'll be getting our background image. So the next step is you coming to Google and typing in freepix.com for YouTube background. Now, why do I say you should specify that? I just typed in freepix.com and they took me to a page that I didn't understand. So please put it this way. Okay, then go to here that they wrote YouTube background images and you click on it. It will open. Can you see? So this is the right one. Then just go to YouTube Studio. That's the next what you're going to add and you click on search. So it will open up all the different backgrounds. So you can choose the one you prefer. Okay, so I love this one. This is the one I will be choosing. All right, and you click on download. You go to free download and you click on it. So by the time you're done, you just click on open and it will open up what you have downloaded. So the next step will be taking you to the app where we'll be editing our video. The first step is for us to go to CapCut. Go to your Play Store to download it, or you go to your PC and you download it. Then you click on New Project. You click on the image and you click on Add. Okay? So the next step is you click on Overlay and you click on Add. So you pick the video. This YouTube and you click on Add. So you can see the video is on. You can see the video is on the background. So what do? You come to on beneath here where you see split volume. Just look for remove BG or cut out. Okay, you click on remove BG and you click on auto removal. So as you can see, it has removed the background and you click on enter. So you then adjust it to the size. So we'll just adjust it a little so it will fit into the background. Okay, so let's try it again. This YouTube background is fake. Okay, so let's move it a little this way. Okay, so let's see again. Background is this YouTube background is fake. Okay, amazing. That's all. So that's what you will do. Okay, that's how you get your fake background. Okay, just check if you have one. If you don't, you can also, but if you do, if you have one, just go to video effect, click on effect and look for blur so that you can blur the image a little. But for me, I think this is perfect. I love it the way it is, and I think it is perfect. But for you, you can blur it, or if you have a screen like this, like my own, you can just touch the image and go to can just touch the screen and go to motion blur. Okay, and use any one. But for me, I think what I have is perfect. I will leave it that way. Now the next step, you just make sure you move it to the end. You're going to see that it's having the extra here where you have this CapCut showing. You just click on it and you click on delete. So you have taken that away and you're good to go. Make sure you put, the first one you put is the background, and then you click on overlay and then you put your video. So this is how you have an amazing background to your videos. So let's just watch. This YouTube background is fake. So that's how it is. Now, if you look at it, you see it goes beyond the, let's watch it again. This YouTube background is fake. You must make sure the picture and the video ends the same time. This YouTube background is fake. Can you see it? You must make sure the picture, the background image, you must make sure the background image and the video ends the same way. So let's play it one more time. This YouTube background is fake. This YouTube background is fake. Wow.